YouTube, back with another video, back on the YouTube grind, man. This is the first video that I posted in a minute, so we finna go down here to this car wash right quick, rinse the car down, show y'all the car and everything, and what I got done to it. And I'm gonna break down some stuff to y'all about what type of content I'm gonna be posting. And everything else that I'm bringing to the channel. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all probably think the car not really dirty, but this weekend I went to New Orleans for a little car meet. Shit, they got a little dust and shit on it. Shit like that. We're going ahead and spray it down. It ain't no real wash, but it'll do. Y'all see, it's pretty skies out here. We don't really have good weather in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So, shit, I wasn't doing that, so I might as well come down here to the car wash and rinse the car down. I'm gonna record a little bit of that. And shit, gonna be back at the crib, and I'm gonna give y'all the rundown on the car. Back at the crib, just came from the little car wash down there. Look, let me show y'all some tie shine. Coverall, man, this the best tie shine you can use, man. I'm gonna put y'all boys on, man. Spray a little bit on the tires. Don't need too much. And then what I do, I spray a little bit on the rim too, just because they black, so they won't have that matte look. So I spray a little bit on the rim. Get you another little microfiber and just rub the whole rim with it on there. And I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. Come on, man, you can't tell me that shit ain't clean. And I ain't even spray a lot on the tires and shit. That shit be lasting. Man, it can rain and everything, man. That stuff can still be on your tires. And shit, I use it for, man, I don't only use it on my rims and tires. I use it on, like, the little plastic parts. That stuff, you know, like the little plastic part with the sun, or like where the color be changing it on your car and shit, or the sun be hitting it most of the time. Sometimes I put on the spoiler, but I really don't have to. Stuff like this, it kind of like, it's like it make it look clean as hell, and it's like a protection. But let me go ahead and put the rest of this the tie shine on these tires and shit. I'm gonna give y'all this run around and what y'all should be expecting. So done washing the car, y'all let me know if this bit clean, man. It ain't a real good wash, but shit, it look decent. But shit, man, let me go ahead and run everything down to y'all what's done to the car, bro. It's very simple. It's not a lot of mods, so let's go ahead and get to it. The Demon Spring. Y'all should be able to see them. The red springs. I got them from BMR Suspension. They call it Demon Killer Springs. Y'all, yeah, there you go. Y'all can see them. Demon Killer Springs, I got them at the front and back. You probably can't tell because I'm in the garage, and the garage kind of slanted, but the car sit lower at the back than the front. The front sit higher than the stock height, so it's kind of leaning back when you are on a level surface. Demon Springs, they really help for weight transfer, so I recommend whoever got a Scat, I recommend Demon Killer Springs, or you can get the 1320 springs. But Demon Springs is a little bit softer, I think. That's what I heard, but I mean, since I've been having the Demon Springs, I enjoy them, so I recommend y'all getting Demon Springs. And another thing I got on the car is a Hellcat airbox. Let me pop the hood right quick. You ain't gonna be able to see the the Hellcat airbox, cause it's really the stock. It's really the stock airboxes just have a it just come with a hole in the bottom piece down here. So y'all can see that little tool right there. It come right here into the headlight, feed into the headlight, and go straight into the intake. Let me show y'all. The only thing I had to buy is the lower airbox. Y'all can see that's the stock airbox right there that come on the car. I think that ran me like $80. And inside of the airbox, I got a Can-In filter. Got that off of Summit Racing for like $50, $60. Little basic, little mods, little bolt-on mods. I do feel the difference in it just a little bit, but when it's cold outside, you feel it pulls hard. Another thing I got is Catalyst mids. Let me see if I can get under the car so y'all can see them. Yeah, y'all can see them right now. It's Catalyst mids, man. They ran me like, well, brand new, they was like $400 something, but I brought these for my buddy for like $200, y'all. As y'all can see though, it's just a little bolt on mine. It don't take nothing but like 20 minutes to install. All you gotta do is unbolt the stock catalyst pipe, whatever you wanna call it, and just bolt on the catalyst mids. And I did order some, they call O2 sensors. It's like adapters to make the computer think the catalyst mid is still on the car, so the engine light won't turn on. So I'm catalyst, but my engine light is not on because I got the O2 sensor adapters. And man, that's pretty much it. Recently just got the Hellcat wheels. I had them 5-spoke bronze wheels. I don't know if y'all seen it or not, but I'm gonna show y'all a picture. Yeah, as y'all can see, y'all let me know if y'all like the bronze or the Hellcat wheels better. I like the Hellcat wheels better. I recently just painted my brakes red. Man, I changed the brakes on this car so many times. They've been orange, red, blue, green, bag red, pink. Yeah, they've been pink too. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. But that's the only thing done to the car. It runs good to say it's actually a stock car. A lot of people don't believe I'm stock because I be beating tuned cars and cars with headers and E85. Man, they think I'm not stock, but I guess that's the reason of having a Mopar, man. You ain't gotta really do too much to beat all these other cars that be having a lot of stuff done to them. I do have stuff done to I do have stuff planned in the future. I'm gonna end up tuning it, E85, ported manifold, and all that other stuff. And I gotta take these big ass tires off. I got 315s, and 315s actually slow you down, man. These are the Chinese brand. I brought them for like $300 for 2 back tires, so that's why I went go ahead and got them, cause shit, it was cheap and I needed tires. So I just go ahead, I got the cheap 315s, and I regret it every time. So I don't recommend putting 315s on your car. You really don't need to. It's no purpose. You can see the tires in the front kind of smaller than the back. I got a little stagger look. I guess what you call it, stagger. But these are 245, 40, 20s in the front. So they're very skinny and small, and they light. They're not heavy at all. But the back, I'm gonna put 275s or 285s back on them whenever I get some new tire. And yeah, man, that's pretty much done to the car, bro. That's it. The content I'm gonna be posting, man, me and my partners, bro, I'm talking about each and every week, man, we be going out road racing and racing at the track and all the other good stuff. So, I mean, bro, I was sitting down in my room one day just watching the stuff I do in real life. So I was like, man, shit, I like watching stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I might as well post because I know they got more people out here. I know they got people out here want to watch stuff like that. So I might as well record it. So, man, y'all going to be seeing racing. Y'all going to be seeing arguments, probably fights. I don't know, man. You know what comes with the racing stuff. But, Man, I'm gonna start vlogging and recording all that good stuff, man. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for sure, man. Y'all gotta stick around, man. Shit. It's gonna be lit, man. Me and my people, bro, we all got Scats, Camaros. It's my brother Camaro. He had a blue Scat Charger, but man, look, all my people, man, we got wide body Scats, wide body Hellcat, Redeye, Durangos, Hellcat Durangos, C8s. Man, look, we got everything, so I might as well record everything for y'all. So, man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe for sure. But shit, yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all boys later, man. I'm gonna drop a video this weekend if we go out, but they said they had a little race out there, so I'm gonna be out there recording. And shit, y'all let me know whatever else y'all want me to post or whatever y'all wanna see, I'll do it for y'all. I'm out.